Heart attack is a condition in which there is blockage of blood flow in coronary arteries, which reduces blood flow to heart and causes death of heart muscles. It can be due to an atherosclerotic plaque, a coronary artery spasm, or a coronary artery dissection. In atherosclerosis, there is formation of fatty plaque inside the walls of coronary arteries. Rupture of this plaque leads to formation of blood clot, and therefore it leads to blockage of blood flow to heart and causes heart attack. In coronary artery spasm, there is sudden tightness of coronary arteries which is triggered by drugs, smoking, cold weather, and stress. And in coronary artery dissection, the inner walls of coronary arteries separate, which results in blockage of blood flow to heart. Always remember, formation of an atherosclerotic blood clot is most common cause of coronary artery blockage.